Okay, good morning class. This is my video for standard 7th, chapter number 4, continuing lesson number. Exercise 4.1, continue the started question number 7 is here. Find 4 rational numbers equivalent. Means here we find 4 more rational numbers equivalent of this rational numbers. So numbers are, the first number are 6 by 11. Okay, so 6 by 11 is rational number is given. So we find out 4 more equivalent rational numbers of this rational number 6 by 11. Okay, so 4 more. So if you multiply by means if multiply, so we see the first property of the rational number. First property of rational number is the multiply of the m. Okay, the first multiply of the m. So always this rational number will be same. Rational number will be same, it's unchanged. Okay, so 6 by 11 multiplied by m. M is the now multiplied by 2. Why you don't take 1? Because if you multiply by 6 by 11 into 1 means m is 1, so number is itself. So we better than start from 2. So 6 to the 12, 11 to the 22. Then 6 by 11 again. Rational number is unchanged, multiply by 3. So 6 3 is 18, 11 3 is 18. The next number is 6 into 4, 11 into 4. So 6 4 is 12, 6 for 24, 11 for the 44. Then next 1 2 3, 6 into 5, so 11 into 5. So 6 into 5, 6 is 30, 11 into 5, 55. So we start from 2 because if you multiply by 1, so number is itself. So we better start from 2. So we get a 4 different equivalent rational number of this rational number. Okay, this is the equivalent rational number. Why we say equivalent rational number? Equivalent rational number means if now we cancel 12 by 22, change into standard form. So it is 6 by 11, 18 by it is 11 into 3 33. Sorry, 18 by 33. Again change into standard form. So answer is 6 by 11. So 24 by 44 change into standard form. So answer is 6 by 11. 30 by 55 again change into standard form. So answer is 6 by 11. Okay. See the second number minus 3 by 8. Now minus 3 by 8 again we start from 2. We find out 4 rational number. So start from 2 and end with 5. So minus 3 to the minus 6, 8 to the 16, minus 3 into 3, 8 into 3 again, minus 3 into 3, minus 9, 8 3 is 24, minus 3 into 4, 8 into 4, 3 4 is minus 12, 8 4 is 24, 32, sorry, 32. Then minus 3 into 5, 8 into 5. 3 5 is minus 15 and 8 5 is 40. So this is the equivalent rational number of this number minus 3 by 8. Again minus 6 by 16 change into standard form. So number is minus 3 by 8. Minus 9 by 24 change into standard form. So answer is minus 3 by 8. Minus 12 by 32 change into standard form. So answer is minus 3 by 8. So this is the equivalent rational number of this given rational number. Okay. So we multiply here. Okay, so our next question is 7 by minus 15. 7 by minus 15. So again we start from, we find that 4 as a number. So multiply by 2. Both numerator and denominator multiply by 2. 7 to the 14. 15 to 2 minus 30. 7 into 3 and minus 15 into 3. So 7 21. 15 to 3 minus 45. 7 into 4 minus 15 into 4. 7 4 28. 15 into 4 is minus 60. Then 7 into 5 minus 15 into 5. 35 minus 75. Okay. Next question of fourth is 8. So this is 8 is whole number. So write in a first rational number. So we write 8 by 1. We change into rational number. This whole number is given. Question is given whole number, but we write in a rational number. So 8 by 1. Again multiply by 2. 8 to the 16. 2 and the 2. 8 into 3. 1 into 3. So 8 24. 3 1 the 3. 8 into 4. 1 into 4. 4 is 32. 4 and the 4. 8 into 5. 1 into 5. 5 8 the 40. 5 1 the 5. See, 16 divided by 2, 8, 24 divided by 3, 8, 32 divided by 4, 8, 40 divided by 5, 8. So remember one thing that we use here the first property of the rational number. First property of rational number is what? That the rational number is unchanged. The rational number is unchanged when you multiply by n, non-integers number. Okay, okay, question number 8. First one, 12 by minus 17. 12 by minus 17 means what? This number we multiply by, means write each of the following as a rational number with a positive denominator. Means this is rational number is given. Okay, 12 by minus 17 is rational number. But this rational number we write in a positive rational number. Means denominator should be changed into positive. Okay, positive denominator. So what to do? 12 by minus 17 is multiplied to minus 1. Both 12 by 17 is multiplied by minus 1. Because minus minus plus, that's why we multiply by minus 1. We not change the number, rational number. We just change into sign. Positive change, negative change into positive. Negative change into positive. That's why multiply by minus 1. So answer is minus 12. Minus 7 to minus 1, 17. Second number 1 by minus 2. 1 by minus 2. Now it's multiplied to again minus 1. Both numerator and denominator. So minus 1 into 1 plus 1, minus 1. Minus 2 into minus 1 is 2. Negative denominator change into positive denominator. That is our work here. The minus 8 by minus 19. So minus 8 by minus 19. Again this number also multiplied by minus 1, both numerator and denominator. So minus 8 into minus 1 is 8. Minus 9 into minus 1 is 19. 8 by 19. Okay. So minus 12 by 17, minus 1 by 2, 8 by 19. This is our answer. Okay, which is the question number 9 here. The question express 5 by 8 as a rational number with the numerator 15 and minus 10. Simple question. The rational number is given. Solution. Rational number is given 5 by 8. 5 by 8. So we see the property of first of rational number. What is the property? See, the rational number is unchanged. Now we multiply by to n. Okay, multiply to n. And now multiply n number means so we should multiply by which number to get the numerator be 50. By what number? Okay. So by what number we have to multiply 5 to get the answer numerator is 50. Means 5 को ऐसे कौन से नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है जिससे हमें आंसर 50 मिलता हो न्यूमेरेटर. We want numerator 50. 5 by 8. Because why? How are we understood that we multiply here? Because see, the numerator is the bigger number. Okay. So 5 by 8. So 5 is multiplied by which number? We don't know which number. So which number? What number we multiply? So answer is 50. So we multiply by 3. 5 3 is 15. Same. If the numerator 5 is multiplied by 3, so 8 also multiplied by 3. So 8 3 is 24. Okay. The next is 5 by 8 minus 10. Now 5 is multiplied by what number? We should multiply what number? That way 5 is multiplied to multiply which number, that we get the minus 10. 5 is multiplied to which number to get the answer minus 10. So minus 2. Okay. So numerator also multiply minus 2. So denominator also multiply minus 2. So 8 into minus 2 minus 16. So minus plus change into plus. So it is a positive rational number. Okay. So this is question number 10. Okay. 4 by 7. So as plus 4 by 7 as a rational number, 4 by 7 is a rational number with denominator 21. Now see the question. Now rational number with denominator 21 and minus 35 means 7 is we multiply which number to get the answer 21. 7 is multiplied to which number, then we get the answer 21. So 7 is multiplied to 3. So numerator also multiplied to 3. 4 3 is 12. 7 3 is 21. Then again 4 by 7. Now 7 is multiplied to which number to get the answer minus 35. So negative. So naturally denominator also multiplied by m is the negative integer. Okay. So 7 into 5 is minus 5. 7 to minus 5 is minus 35. So denominator also multiplied by minus 5. So 4 5 is minus 20. Minus cancel. So answer is positive 20 by 35. Here also 10 by 16. Okay. Okay. So this question of 15. Express minus 36 by 24 as a new rational number with a numerator of minus 9 and 6. So number is the bigger. So divide here. So The rational number is, first we write the rational number. Minus 36 by 24. Minus 36 by 24. So they said a rational number with the numerator is the minus 9. Minus 9. We want to answer minus 9. Okay, numerator. So this number minus 36, we divide by which number? We divide, here we divide because the number is smaller. We divide by which number to the, then we get the answer minus 9. Yes, minus 36 we divided by which number, we get the answer minus 9. So answer is 4 plus 4. So denominator also divided by 4. 4 9 36 minus, okay, 24 divided by 4. 4 by 20, 4 is 24, 6. Then again minus 36 by 24. Again minus 36, we divide by which number? Then we get the answer numerator 6. Okay. So positive means minus 6. Okay, if you don't understood, so what to do? Dial minus 36, you divide by this 6. Okay, so minus 36 is 36. So this is minus 36. So I am numerator. So question also. This is the Q also minus 6. Okay. So minus 36 divided by minus 6. So minus minus plus 36 divided by 6. So answer is 6. 24. So 24 also divided by minus 6. So 6 4 ja. Minus 6 divided by 6 4 24. But is the divisor is negative. So the remainder. So here the denominator is also negative. 6 4 the 24 minus 4. Okay. So here is the second rule of a rational number. There is the divisor is the same. Divisor is the same. Okay. Here we have a divisor. So next question number 16. 84 divided by minus 147. Now denominator is minus 47 and we want denominator is 7 here. So lowest term change to lowest term. So we divide. Always remember when we change to lowest term, so we divide. Okay. So minus 147 divided by which number to get the answer? 7. Denominator is 7. Minus 1 because express 84 by minus 147 as a rational number with denominator 7. So minus 147 divided by which number to get the answer? Plus 7. Simple. 7 divided by minus 147. You understood? So 7 on the 7, 7 to the 14, 7 to the 7, 21. But it is a positive number. So minus 21. Minus 21 into divided by minus 147. So the answer is 7. Same numerator also divided by 84 divided by minus 21. 84 divided by minus 21. Now what is the answer? Minus 21 divided by 84. 82 divided by minus 21. So it is a 4. Minus 4. Because division is minus. If divisor and dividend both is negative, so answer is positive. But here is the divisor is the negative and This is negative and dividend is positive, so answer is negative. Second one, minus 147, 84. Now here we want minus 49. Hmm. 49 minus 157 minus 49, minus plus 147 divided by 49. So 49 3s are 3 9 is 27, 2 3 4 are 12, 13 14. So 49 3s are 147. So this is negative, so this means the division is positive 3. Same 84 divided also 3. So 3 on the 3, 3 to the 6, 3 8 the 24. 84 divided by 3, so answer is 28. So 28 by minus 49. Understood class? Let's stop this.